There's the 11 o'clock train. There's the 11. That's the 11 o'clock excursion on the Lehigh Gorge here, I think. I was hoping to catch some train action here. So we are here at Jim Thorpe Station. Here's 270 and 275, the F3s. They're recently painted. I forgot how long ago, but beautiful. And we are walking to the station, hoping to get on the next train ride. I'm not sure where these guys are headed to on this train ride, but bless you. Do I have enough time for the 1 o'clock?
Yep, I only have standard coach left.
Huh?
I only have standard coach left. Everything else is sold out.
Oh man, I wanted the open air car.
The windows open in standard.
Huh?
The windows do open in the standard 5.
Okay.
This one? That'll be 20.
Okay, so here we are. We have our ticket now. We are going to be on the standard. I'm going to take a look here. So I'm hoping that my buddy Jamie is working one of these trains. I'm not sure if she's working any of these trains, but she works for Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern. This is for the Scenic Gorge. Okay, standard coach. So we got a standard coach ticket. I was hoping I should have booked it online before I arrived here. I wasn't sure I was going to make the 1 o'clock train ride, so how you doing? Some of the crews are walking over here, and they have the merch, which of course probably gonna have to get something after I get done with my train ride. So I'll check out the inside of the station once I get done. And there's also a trolley ride. When is the next one? Probably after we get back. I may do that trolley ride. Be a tourist. That's not too bad. So they have the 2023 Rambles for 15 bucks, and then just the regular one for 20. Those are the Vista cars, if you're not familiar with them. The dome cars, as they call them. I think they're like, I forget what is it, to ride that one, 100 and like 200 bucks or something like that to ride that. Maybe a little more. So 270, 75 are leaving. And my ride is coming up ahead. Old diesel saying hi to a new diesel. There's the Vista car. Notice mostly everybody's upstairs, hardly anybody downstairs. Everybody's going upstairs for the beautiful views they're gonna get.
Please come back to the yellow line. Thank you.
We got 20, 13, and 14. Hey, there's the owner, Andy Moore, on the front of the car. It's an amazing job Andy has done building up this train line. I guess I have to go way down there to board.
Yeah.
But I wanted to catch this train, so we'll head over there. We're on the 1 o'clock. We'll be boarding shortly. Yep. I have to go to the standard coach. Open air coach. Unfortunately, it's sold out, so we can't ride it. So here's the boarding for standard coach. I think my phone is still on. Yep, it was still. So again, look at the beautiful mountain this valley is in. The Lehigh Gorge Valley here. typical because of the time of the year it is. The streets are packed. The tourists are all here, including myself. See what time is it actually? Oh, it's 1:04, so it should have been boarding by now. So this is a 70-minute round trip. So instead we're just gonna come into the, apparently I missed my 1 o'clock train. So I opted to go on the 3 o'clock train. Now I got the open car. I don't have to be in a standard car. So I've been up to the Lansford number 9 mine already. It's not too far from here. There's Lehighton and Weesport, which is not right up the road too as well. Cool. So this is all other touristy parts as well. Check out the rest of the signage here. I also made a video at the Mount Chunk cemetery up on the hill up there somewhere on South Avenue, sorry. So check that out. Palmerton is also not too far away as well. Began as the New Jersey Zinc Company, and it's now a super site now. Still cleaning the town up. Walnut Park, Slatington, that's all nearby. I'll be probably back in the future to check out more. So there's a lot of canal history, mining history, railways, and nature. We are in Carbon County now. We were in Lackawanna yesterday. And there's information. The information board here. Oh wow, we got a charging station. I have my own built-in charging station with me. So it gives you information here. Yeah, that's sad how they were robbed. Lenny Lape was robbed of their land that way. Nat and Hootman were established by the Moravians. Sharp Mountain, which is now Summit Hill. Josiah White Erskine Hazard used to deposit near the summit. They founded the Coal Navigation Company that's right up the road. Yep, Lehigh Coal Navigation. Well, it was originally Lehigh Navigation, Delaware Lackawanna Canal, and the Morris Canal up near Easton. Famous Switchback Road. Oh wow. Chunk Gravity Road ceased cooperation but became a switchback railroad. New Jersey Zinc Company. Renanoco, that's down by the other bridge I was at in the other video. So North Chunk was renamed Jim Thorpe and the athlete was built here now with honors. Not sure why they couldn't bury him in his hometown or whatever. Also, there's a lot of Molly Maguire's history as well here. Anthracite mining of the Panther Valley up by number 9 mine, which I've been to. Jim Thorpe District. Asa Packer Mansion. Hopefully I'll be able to go to that today. Both up to a tour. I don't know if they do tours, but at least do exterior shots of the mansion. And then right here, these are all the major locations here. So all the yellow markers are the towns. All the black markers, I believe, are the trails. All the blue markers are the lakes and reservoirs. I think it's purple. Yeah, purple are all the attractions, and then red is all the mountains. So they have all the different mountain ranges. So I may opt to go on the trolley. So there's Andy Mueller, the president of Reading and Blue Mountain and Northern, speaking with some other rail fans and stuff. So ironically, I was supposed to be on that train right there, but for some reason I managed to miss it. So now I'm on the next train. That would have been an amazing ride on the F units here. So we're boarding on the train now. And we gotta walk all the way through to the end to the open air cars. Hello. Open air.
You're good, and we have 4 different coaches you can pick from.
Okay. There's the rail trail. Right, this one. Oh, we have a caboose. Darn it. So it's a caboose ride. And then if you look on the hill, you can see all the rail fanners up on the top of the hill up there, waiting for a 2102. So this is the new Y. See right there. I'll get a better video of it. Hey, that's what I want. There's the bridge. Here's the DNL trail. Is the CMJ turntable, which I was at another video. Please check that out. There's the Pocono whitewater rafting. Whitewater rafting going out. I think this weekend I saw a group when we were at the parking lot. Ready to launch for group excursion. That is a great idea. That's the way to rail. So I hope you're able to hear me as well. My friend Jamie Macon, check out her channel. She does mostly nothing but rail fanning and railroad stuff. today Jamie's doing rail fanning of the Reading Rambles. Oh wow. Definitely those are probably class 2s. Looks like class 2 rapids, maybe even 3. Definitely class 2 and 3 rapids. That is the Lehigh River. All those Pocono Mountain River excursions. Wow, yeah. Some crazy shoots through there. Turning. So again, this is the DNL trail right here, right beside us. There's the Lehigh River. Yeah, there's some of the there's some kayakers, river rafters down there. So watch for black bears in this area. We're moving away from the river a little bit. across through the trees, you can see the Pioneer Pipeline. And believe it or not, school children would cross that to get back to this side of the... folks are wearing. reached our destination. See more of the whitewater rafters there. That group is navigating around some rocks there. Wow. More rapids there.
Once the train comes to a stop, passengers seated in standard coach, the standard coach only. To get out, there's 6 individuals available in the seat to change its position for the return share.
So we reached our end of our destination here. Well, at least for this part of the line. We'll switch and go to this side of the train now and see what there is to see.